Hello everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you some good news about ComfyUI updates. It got updated only this week. Let's discover the updates together. We have the SDXL Turbo, we have front-end improvement, stable zero, self-attention guidance, Segmind Vega model, and more updates. Stay with me and we will see them all. So we can read these updates from this blog here. As we can see that the last update was December 19, like 7 days ago from now. And the first update, as I said at the beginning, is the SDXL Turbo. The new thing now that we can use an SD 2.1 Turbo model. And we have some front improvements, we have some updates about stable zero, self-attention guidance, Segmind Vega model, and some other updates. Let's go back to the first update, SDXL Turbo. So we can download the SD 2.1 Turbo model from here. The model is hosted on Hugging Face, as every time. Download it and save it at your checkpoints ComfyUI folder. So SD Turbo is a distilled version of Stable Diffusion 2.1, trained for real-time synthesis, and is based on a novel training method called adversarial diffusion distillation. Let's have an example. So click on the SDXL Turbo example page right here. Click on the image and drag it on the top of your ComfyUI page. And you will automatically have the SDXL Turbo. Go into the load checkpoint and select the SD 2.1 Turbo model. Just leave everything like it is. Wait for the image to be generated. So once the image is generated, you will see that the quality is not as the SDXL Turbo, and it's not that good. Here we did not get the dog inside the bottle as it said. Or maybe only the half of it. So let's keep now the same notes, and let's pick now the SDXL Turbo model. So leave everything the same and click on generate. It might take an extra time, but you will get at the end a higher quality. So this one is from the SDXL Turbo model, and the first one is only from the SD Turbo model. In the second video I will explain the positive and the negative notes, the difference between those notes right now, and then we will proceed with the other updates.